Hello, my name is John Olu Daniels, and I will be representing the team of John. In today's presentation, we will be breaking down the business model canvas for our solution. My team members include Noguhle Ngubane, Adrian Bello, Tokozani Mchali, Khakitso Mukhatle, and Brian Mabukwa. The first point on our list includes key partnerships. We believe that partnerships are essential for expanding our reach. We look to partner with industry associations and organizations within the engineering and construction field. We look to integrate our solution with other current tools used within the industry to benefit the members of these organizations and associations. In future, we would also like to partner with educational institutions so that our solution may be used from a baseline point of view, as in people who are coming into the industry for the first time can know about our solution and then integrate it into their project as a whole moving forward. Concerning customer relationships, we believe that our success depends on building and maintaining strong customer relations. This involves providing personalized customer support to address their needs and inquiries. In order to help the customer maximize our solution, we will also need to provide tutorials and documentation. Furthermore, customer feedback will help us to improve the product and make certain updates to the solution as necessary. Finally, we will be providing dedicated account management for larger clients to ensure that they are satisfied.
In terms of revenue streams, which are the source of income for our project, we'll offer subscription plans that grant the user access to our platform, offer pay per project licensing fees for occasional users. Additional revenue will come from premium features and add-ons. We will also offer training and consulting services to the customers.
Namely, our key activities would include platform development and maintenance, customer acquisition. Customer acquisition has to do with the personalization of our customers' websites. Another one would include continuous product improvement and innovation. As we all know, the engineering department is ever evolving, so we plan on continuously matching that evolution through continuous innovation. And last but not least, marketing and promotional activities. Through the use of social media platforms, word of mouth, billboards, and radio, we plan on spreading word about our product.
Start.
Okay, then moving on into our key resources. So our key resources are the activities that happen in order for us to be able to fulfill the needs of our stakeholder and produce a product or service. So the first resource that we have is our development team. Our development team is a team that's going to help us develop the website and the application in order to fulfill the needs of our stakeholder. Then our second resource is going to be hosting and infrastructure. This is where we talk about where we're going to put the information that we gain from the website and the application and how we're going to deploy our application. And then the second thing is marketing and sales team. This is a team that's going to help us take our product to the masses in order to reach out to other companies within the sector. And then our last key resource is industry partnership and collaborations. So with that, we're trying to say that even though our application is made for a specific stakeholder, we're still trying to branch out and see how many people we can help or companies we can help with our product. And then we move on into our channels. So when you talk about channels, this is how we're going to reach our customers and so forth. So the first thing that we have is a website and app download. This is where we're now going to take our fully completed application and website and put it into platforms such as Apple Store and Google Store in order for customers to be able to download them and so forth. And then our second thing is going to be our industry conferences and events. So this is where we're going to go out and network and be able to meet the different types of companies and so forth. And then our last channel that we have is partnerships with industry associations and organizations. This is what we currently have right now because we have a partnership of developing this specific application for our industry stakeholder. Thank you.
Firstly, it's development and technology costs. So during the development of this application, you may find that we need access to an API, for example, that is not open source. So to get access to that, we need funds for that. So the next point is hosting and infrastructure expenses. So to fully test out our application, we may need to host it on a server to see how it behaves under real-time conditions. When getting access to that server requires funds in order to fully test it out. So the next point is marketing expenses. So in order to fully market our solution, to make it out there for people to know about it, right? So we may need access to social media services like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And those are some of the funds we may incur during the course of this project. The next point is customer support and service costs. So customer support, basically we need people who are knowledgeable, like who know about this project, what it's supposed to do, and therefore possibly with some knowledge on how the code works, how the APIs interact and stuff. Right? In getting someone like that costs money because they may need compensation for their time. In service costs, basically someone who's knowledgeable about the code base, who's able to maintain it. Thank you.
I'll start off by exploring the first two components of our business model canvas, which are customer segments and value proposition. These two elements are foundational in understanding who our customers are and why they chose us. Our customer segments are specific groups and organizations within the civil engineering and construction industry that are solution targets. This includes civil engineering consulting firms, construction management companies, as well as professionals within that industry who are involved in construction projects. Secondly, we have our value proposition. The value of our solution lies in its ability to address all of the challenges faced by our industry stakeholder. We're going to create an integrated platform for design quality assurance, cost management, and real-time progress tracking for construction projects.